Here is the image of Rh factor present in absence. Rh positive for A blood group, in red blood cell surface both A antigen and D antigen also present. For B positive blood group, B antigen and D antigen present. For AB positive blood group, both A antigen, B antigen and also D antigen present. For O positive blood group, there is no antigen, only D antigen present in red blood cell surface. For negative blood groups, Rh negative. For A negative blood group, there is only A antigen present. There is no Rh factor presence. For B negative, only B antigen present, no Rh factor. For AB negative, A and B antigen present, no Rh antigen. For O blood group, there is no A antigen, B antigen and also D antigen. For D testing, typing test, Rh-D antigen testing determines if the red blood cell express the D antigen, defining Rh positive or negative status. If D antigen present, it will comes under positive. If D antigen absence, it will comes under negative blood group. Based on blood group system ABO and also typing system D, we will determine the patient blood group and type. Prevent alloimmunization lead to hemolytic disease of the newborn, which matching during transfusion in pregnancy. Testing is done by mixing patient red blood cell with anti-D anti-sera. If the agglutination occurs, he comes under positive blood group. If agglutination not occurs, he comes under negative blood group. Here is the image of anti-D testing. We will take sample from patient RBC. We will mix that sample into anti-D reagent. If it is agglutination occurs, he is positive typing. If agglutination not occurs, he comes under negative typing. Next is Rh incompatibility test. In this incompatibility testing, if a Rh negative person is exposed to Rh positive blood during pregnancy with an Rh positive fetus, if the mother is negative but the fetus is positive, means their immune system may produce Rh antibodies. The mother immune system will produce antibodies against the fetus. An antibody test will be performed during pregnancy to check for these antibodies. If the mother is Rh negative and has not produced antibodies, a preventive injection anti-D 300 mcg injection may be given to the pregnant woman to prevent her body from making them, protecting the future pregnancies. Commonly, this Rh antibodies will not affect the first child of the mother, but it will definitely affect the second and third child of the mother. Here is the image of Rh incompatibility. The Rh positive man, pregnant Rh negative woman with Rh positive fetus, the Rh positive fetus antigen can enter into the mother's blood circulation during her delivery. The mother will produce anti-Rh antibodies in their body. If the next Rh positive pregnancy, the mother's Rh antibodies will attack the fetal red blood cell, it will lead to hemolysis in the fetus. The fetus will not get sufficient blood. The Rh negative mother with the Rh positive baby, during the birth, the mixing of fetus and mother blood will lead to produce antibody in the mother's body, mother's bloodstream. Months later, the Rh antibodies can still be found in the mother's bloodstream. During the mother's next pregnancy, these antibodies will definitely attack the positive baby. Summary, based on the antigens and antibodies present in the particular individual, we will classify the blood group into A, B, O system and also typing. Classification is based on antigen present in RBC surface. If the person is having antigen group A antigen, means the person is A blood group. If the person RBC having group B antigen, means the patient is B blood group. The person is having both A and B antigen, means the person is AB blood group. The person is having no antigen, means he comes under O blood group. Based on the Rh factor, rhesus factor, If it is present, he comes under positive blood group. If it is absent, he comes under negative blood group. Based on ABO system and RH typing, we will determine the patient blood group and type for a blood transfusion or other management. Compatibility test will be conducted before the blood transfusion. For antigen A will contain anti-B antibodies in their plasma. For B blood group, the person will contain anti-A antibodies in their plasma. For AB blood group, there is no antibodies in their plasma. For O blood group, both anti-A anti-B antibodies will present in their plasma. Based on ABO system and also typing, we will determine the exact blood group and type of the patient. RH factor has RH antigen and also called as D antigen. If it is present, he is RH positive blood group. If lacks of RH antigen means he comes under RH negative blood group. Generally, it is tested and compatibility testing will be conducted before any procedure or blood transfusion. If the mother carries positive blood group and the fetus carries negative blood group, the mother's body will produce antibodies against the fetus. It will affect the future pregnancies. So we have to do injection 300 mcg to the pregnant woman to prevent the future complications. Thank you.